Channel 5 reported Tuesday night that the Maricopa County Sheriff's Office neglected to respond to complaints of animal cruelty, and further stated that a request for comment from the Sheriff's Office was ignored. Both of these claims by the reporter are completely false and demonstrate the continued campaign by Channel 5 to discredit Sheriff Arpaio and his office.
They didn't verify any of the information or speak to the Sheriff's Office in reference to the accuracy of the story or what the neighbors and residents in that area had told them. The most recent information that we received on this location was 2 days ago. We received information in reference to the conditions and deceased animals, skeletal remains, things of that nature. Now, going back in April of 2007, one of the detectives from the Animal Crimes Unit responded to this residence in reference to the same scenario and found conditions which were very similar to those depicted in the photographs of skeletal remains and feces. Now, the Glendale Police Department accompanied this detective from the Sheriff's Office to assist her in clearing the structure for officer safety prior to examining the area. And at that point, all we could determine was that yes, there were feces, there were no live animals in or around that residence at the time. It did not fall on deaf ears, but I would suspect whoever made that statement knew that not to be the case, and they had ulterior motives in trying to get some sort of response to this scenario in terms of the cleanup, the insanitary conditions, and trying to have that residence dealt with. So they would call anyone and everyone that would potentially respond, and they knew how much the Sheriff's Office, how much importance we place on these types of situations. As such, they tried to elicit a response from feeding potentially disinformation to the media, and the media, without verifying that information, airing it.
Now, neighbors say that they made several complaints to the Sheriff's Office. Those complaints went on deaf ears. We also made a phone call of our own to the Sheriff's Office. We have not gotten a response from them. We're live here in Phoenix. Osimiged, CBS 5 News.
The Channel 5 reporter Jose Miguel made reference in the story that he tried to contact this office 2 times yesterday in regard to this story, and that's simply false. As a matter of fact, I have 2 separate emails that we did receive from Channel 5 yesterday asking for response on other stories that we did respond to. So those allegations are false. Nobody in this office has received any sort of correspondence from him. As a matter of fact, we have a call out to him today to try and prove to us that he did try and contact us, and we have not heard back from Channel 5 on that as of yet.
There is not a law enforcement agency or a law enforcement executive that has dedicated more resources to the investigation of animal abuse than Sheriff Arpaio or the Maricopa County Sheriff's Office. So it's absolutely inaccurate and unfair to portray this type of scenario like that.